What's up everybody, Shannon Sagan here, 1-800-FLA-LAWYER, also known as the Dashcam Lawyer. Let me tell you the 5 most dangerous intersections in Palm Beach County and a reason why you definitely need a dashcam in your car. So Okeechobee and Military, if you've been in West Palm Beach for any amount of time, you'll know that that's always been a serious and dangerous intersection. Forest Hill and State Road 7, also known as 441. Southern Boulevard and State Road 7, also known as 441. Atlantic Avenue and Military down in Delray. And finally Glades and State Road 7, 441 out in Boca. Those are the 5 most dangerous intersections in Palm Beach County. Many of them have been dangerous for years and years now. So even better reason for you to have a dash cam in your car if you're going through any of these intersections. So if you've been in an accident, need a free consultation, if you want my advice on what type of dash cam to get for your car, reach out to me. 1-800-FLA-LAWYER is my phone number. 1-800-FLALawyer.com is our website. Or if you're on any of the major social media platforms, we are on all of those, either at 1-800-FLA-LAWYER or Shannon J. Sagan. I look forward to hearing from you.